Recently we've been showing you a lot of our composite bonding cases, but that's not all we do here at Westmount Dental, so let's take a look at how we do a single implant. Today we have one of our expert dentists and implantologists, Dr. Ali, as well as our principal dentist, Dr. Ash, to ensure that this patient is relaxed and give them the best treatment possible. So they've begun by removing the failing tooth from the patient's mouth and are now preparing to place the implant pin. This is the titanium pin that will connect to the patient's jawbone to secure the new tooth to the patient's mouth, as well as help it blend seamlessly into their natural smile. With our patient numbed and relaxed and our dentists now ready to place the pin, they get to work placing the implant into the patient's mouth. And now the implant is placed, they get the patient's mouth ready to heal so that they can place the new tooth at the next appointment. But for now, it's a happy patient and a job well done for our team at Westmount Dental.